in Taiwan. And we're going to take breakfast. It's kind of gloomy today. Hindi ko alam kung maambon mo.
Me after mag-Brazilian hair treatment.
Brazilian hair treatment.
Yeah.
Tanong mo.
Very open.
I tried the skin.
Wala naman nakakita.
Yung yung kasi
Sa
Wala ka ng mga food na tissue. Yan. Bakit pa din? Hindi.
Hello.
hindi ko pa na-try ako.
Di ba makakalayo ko ni Gano'n? ก็200อะสิรวมของเขาที่แรกก็รวมแล้วของเขาแล้วก็300ค่ะมันจะเป็นเขาก็เลยบอกว่างั้นเอาแบบเอ๊ดีกว่ามันได้เขาไปมันเขาก็แบบอะไรของข้าวไปใช่เพราะว่าเขาเลยว่า
Hindi ko pa lang muna.
ต้องถ่ายโอกาสกันว่าอันนี้แล้วกันว่ากินไก่แล้วนะ
Sarap.
Sarap na.
ก็ชักเลย
Order na ito. Egg cheese. Egg roll. Taiwan sausage.
Hindi sila.
Warm. Warm coffee milk.
ร่วมทำหมดTagilid-gilid na nga tayo. Oo.
So full. So we're done with the breakfast. And the name is waiting. My rate is 5 out of 4. 5 out of... Ayaw nga, crispy milk. Alam mo, kagabi nandyan kami tapos dapat bibili kami. Wala na daw. Parang nag-aayos na sila. I would rate waiting 5 out of 5. The serving is superb. The... Anong tawag doon? The quality is... Mas maiksi yung pila doon, Tita Telma. Mas maiksi yung pila doon. Mas maiksi. Doon sa kabila. Baka bibili siya ng bitcho. Sumaba na naman yung pila dito. But
Wala yung wifi.
so we're here Taipei Main Station to ride HSR Kita Chong. Taichung. I'm sure if pwede tayo bumili dito. Let's check. Tama ba?
Hindi, alam mo. Wait,
Ito na, 11 pa.
11 pa. Sakto lang. Oo, si Amon.
Pwede.
11 pa. Ay, 11 pa.
So, 2 hours and 18 minutes nga.
Yeah.
So,
Merong 11:20.
hindi.
Mas mura.
Mas mura siya.
Yeah.
Eh, di pwede naman.
2 hours 21 minutes.
Sige, ito na lang.
20
Sa atin.
minutes difference.
Card.
Hindi, ano, ilan ba yung ano?
Sa amin lang yan. Separate pay tayo. Mahirap pag ano. Family car.
Meron siyang ano.
Picturean niyo yung ano dito. Para tayo.
25, 27, 29.
I think magkakatabi yan. Picturean niyo para tayo.
11, no? 11.
Ano ito? Bakit tatlo lang?
Total,
There's, ano,
next page.
Credit card.
Ah,
credit card.
and then, ito.
Please tap or insert your processing transaction. Please do not remove. Payment completed. Please
Ito ba, Wayne
Yeah,
Taylor?
yes,
ticket printing. Please wait.
Tapos yung first one.
Pabigay kita.
Pwede pa kay Wayne.
Yeah, yan yun. Kuya, wait, diba? 11, the first one.
Yeah.
And then tire.
Wayne pa help.
Wait. Ito.
Ticket printing completed. Please collect the ticket.
Pag di gumana.
Family car pa hindi mo.
11,
Done buying ticket.
11 o'clock.
So, 10:45 dapat.
Pwede ngayon. Pwede sa train. Pwede. Oh, sure. High speed rail train. Ewan ko, nasa yung ticket. So, if you want to buy HSR ticket, ay, HSR ticket, pwede ka doon. Pero hindi ko alam kung anong platform tayo. So, yung mga kasama natin. Hanapin muna namin kung saan. Car, okay, baka. Car 2, yun. 1 to 6, car 2. Sa seat. Ay, no, 2? Hindi pa. Ay. Pwede siguro mag-ano. Pwede natin ask for Taichung.
Kuha ka?
Hindi.
Bakit?
Mamaya. Kasi ano, hawakan lang yun. Looking for something to eat for this 2-hour trip.
No?
Looking for something to eat for these 2 hours travel.
49.
Mahal, mura lang. Baka sparkling water yun.
Yung,
Double check.
ito 29.
Yung pinakamura. Hindi, 2 hours yun eh. 1 pa yung dating natin. 1. May chichirya ka? Wala?
Meron. Ganun lang.
Over 25. Or 25. Trying the egg tart. Tots.
Masarap naman.
Okay, my turn. Yo. Medyo bland yung lasa. Cream puff. I remember a friend na hindi niya gusto yung strawberry flavored foods kasi they're all artificials. Well, I understand, but I personally love everything strawberry as long as it complements with my taste buds. Okay, on to the next one. Okay. Everything dorayaki is Doraemon. Oh my. It's chocolate. And it has this cool. Saan na tayo? Baka mamaya lagpas na tayo.
On the left hand side. 下车时
Oh, it's
请注意月
cute.
台与车厢。
Oh. Tumihara. Touch daw ba eh. Init naman. Init.
Init.
Dip-dip.
Success lang! Success!
Basa yung view. Nakapikit ka naman eh.
Nasa panaginip ko.
Doon na lang. Mag-ano muna tayo, maghanap muna tayo ng ticket pabalik. Bili na tayo.